The purpose of this video is to help you with this week's assignment. Enter the following commands into the console. Once you have entered this command into the console, click Enter. Now, enter the following command into the console. Once you have entered the command into the console, click Enter. Excellent. Read the red letters. Type the following command after you have read the red letters. After you have entered that command, click Enter. Now, read the red letters. Once you have read the red letters, enter your name. My name is Jamil Guevara. After you have entered your name, click Enter. Read the red letters. Once you have read the red letters, click Enter. Select number 1, Continue. Type 1 and click Enter. Read the red letters. Once you are done reading the red letters, click Enter. Select number 1, R Programming, the basics of programming in R. Type 1 and click Enter. Read the red letters. Once you have read the red letters, select number 1, R Programming. Type 1 and click Enter. Read the red letters. Once you have read the red letters, select number 1, Basic Building Blocks. Type 1 and click Enter. Read the red letters. Once you are done reading the red letters, click Enter. Now you're ready to begin your homework. Follow the instructions in the red letters. And I hope this video has helped you. Have a great day.